Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my long awaited and highly requested wash day routine. So first things first, my hair is in twists for my last wash day, so I'm just taking down the twists so that I can start. Putting it in twists before my next wash day helps my hair stay detangled and it makes the process much easier. After I'm done taking down my twist, I like to completely soak my hair in water to help release my curls and prepare my hair for shampooing. To shampoo, I just take as much as I think I'll need at first and run it through my hair because the first wash doesn't really do it for me. So I like to first take a bit to run it through my hair and then add some more later. After running it through, I concentrate on my scalp and I don't really use my fingernails to scrub my scalp. I just use my fingertips to rub on my scalp as much as I can to make sure it gets as clean as possible. And then I just rinse off the shampoo. This is the second wash. Sometimes I don't need it, sometimes I do. It really just depends on how much build up I have in my hair at the time. After shampooing, I divided my hair into sections, usually just 4 sections. It makes it easier for the product to work into my hair and it also makes it easier for me to just manage my hair. Just before I apply the deep conditioner, I wet my hair again with warm to hot water to help my cuticles open more to accept the product and just to help the slip of the product so it applies better. I also detangle while I deep condition, so as I'm applying the product, I detangle my hair and I finger detangle because I think finger detangling gives you less breakage and less shedding. So that's why I like to go for deep conditioners that have more slip to make the detangling process easy because I feel like it's easier to just do it this time instead of doing it before I shampoo and then adding another step to my routine. It just makes it easier for me like this. And although most times I finger detangle, if my hair is like really tangled, I might use a white tooth comb and or a diamond brush to make the detangling process faster and easier. And don't forget your ends. Your ends are the most fragile parts of your hair, so I always make sure I add extra product to my ends. While I deep condition, I like to put a processing cap over my hair to keep the heat and moisture in so that the product really seeps into my hair. And I leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. This time I left it on for an hour and then I came back to rinse out. So the hour is up and it's time for me to rinse my hair. I also like to put a towel on top of the processing cap sometimes for extra heat. Um, Instead of like using a heating cap. That's just a preference because it's easier for me to move around with. These are what my curls look like after deep conditioning. You see that deep conditioning helps just make your curls pop and make them, it just makes your hair look and feel better. So that's why I deep condition weekly. It's honestly the best thing you can do for your hair, or at least if you don't wash your hair weekly, then every time you wash your hair, you should deep condition. Also make sure you rinse out the deep conditioner thoroughly so it doesn't stay in your hair and cause any kind of damage. To dry my hair, I just use a regular towel. It's not microfiber, and I honestly don't have time to use a t-shirt to struggle with wet hair. I don't struggle with it though, so it doesn't cause unnecessary friction to make my hair frizzy. I just close it into a fist in one hand so that the towel absorbs the water in my hair. I don't know if you care to know, but this is how much shedding I got after this. Then after this, I just wrap my hair and then move on to styling. Hi guys, so I'm finally done washing and deep conditioning my hair. So now it's time for me to style my hair. And how I style my hair is that I just put it in twists because that's the easiest way for me to manage it and go about my business. So what I'm going to be using is this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. So I'm going to be using that. And just like how I was deep conditioning, I'm just going to section my hair into 4 parts and then I'm just going to work from there. Okay, so on this first section, I'm just going to spray some water on this and then I'm going to comb it out. I'm starting at the end so that it works up easier, up to my roots. Then I'm going to apply this into my hair. Then I'm going to divide it into sections and twist. And I'm going for like medium sized twists. I don't want them too big or too small. When you twist, you want to make sure that both strands of the twist are as similar in size as possible. That way your twists come out looking better. And if you want to untwist your hair into a twist out, it will look better too. Okay guys, so I'm done twisting my hair and then the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to oil my scalp. It's a new thing I added to my routine recently and I'm going to be using this oil. from Alikay Naturals. So I'm just going to put it in between these open sections here. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope it was informative. If it was, remember to give it a thumbs up and comment. Also subscribe and turn on my post notifications when you subscribe so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.